Hello, my name is Megan Renee, and this presentation covers the importance of teamwork to an organization and the components within a organization. First, we'll examine the importance of teamwork in organizations. Teamwork and leadership often coincide within an organization. Many Triple Crown organizations distinguish their leadership by empowering many leaders and encouraging those leaders to serve as stewards. Stewardship is critical to organizations. Authors define stewards as those who work on the business, not just in it. Stewards often step out of their roles to influence behaviors and reinforce the colors and culture of the organization. Vannerik and Vannerik highlight that these individuals are often responsible for the soul of the organization by stepping out of the normal or formal roles they play in this type of behavior can instill collaboration and cohesion among others. This embraces an all-together aspect within the workplace. Many may see the stewards as those that can be trusted or enlisted when having difficulties. High levels of stewardship among leaders can instill the same behaviors among line staff and others. Next, we will cover the importance of teamwork in relationship to shared purpose. Shared purpose is one component of teamwork within an organization. A shared purpose can aid in staff and group efforts within the organization. A shared purpose can assist in accomplishing outcomes and the dynamic created within the departments or sections of an organization. Sharing a purpose can align ideas and problem-solving tactics in order for all individuals to be on the same page when participating in teamwork and when working as an individual. The importance of teamwork in relationship to values. When working in a team, one must understand that individuals may and can carry different values. Those in an organization may share organizational values. These values may be different than the personal values that the individual carries. According to Yu et al., values can also be tied to culture and cultural experiences. This may also be a point to be mindful of within team settings. Many organizations have taken the step to add cultural competency trainings and such in order to effectively understand other cultures and their practices. Values aid in the behaviors and work ethic within an organization, and it is important to recognize the organizational values and also respect the individual values present in that environment. Lastly, we will cover the importance of teamwork in relationship to the organization's vision. Vannerik and Vannerik describe the organization's vision as a collaborative and synthesizing process. This means the vision should be a team process in which the statement is constructed with a group of individuals within the organization. This process itself promotes effective teamwork and collaboration among the team to effectively demonstrate what the organization's purpose is. As you can see, each component plays a key role in teamwork within an organization and must be worked diligently in order for the organization to be effective and enduring throughout their time.